नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Dear students, today's question number 1 is narrate a hadith in which the belief of Khatm Nabuwat is stated. And the answer is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, I am Khatimun Nabiyyin, last prophet, and there will be no prophet after me. Question number 2 is in the era of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, how many Sahaba were martyred in the war that was fought against Musaylama Kazzab and those who denied the finality of prophethood and to protect the belief of finality of prophethood? And the answer is 1200 Sahaba and Tabi were martyred, including 700 Hafiz Quran and 70 Badri Sahaba. Question number 3 is which elder said that if we do not do the work of Khatm Nabuwat, even a street dog is better than us? And the answer is Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Muhammad Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullah alayhi. Question number 4 is which Sahabi sent Musaylama Kazzab to hell? Answer is Hazrat Wahshi bin Harab Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseer.